Hi, I'm Joe at Grub Hub, and I'm going to set up the Grub Hub in less than 3 minutes, giving you the most wildly organized kitchen on the planet. We'll start with the stopwatch at 0 so that you know there's no tricks here. And there, hopefully you can see that. But just like camping, we'll start with the Grub Hub in the car. Bring it out, set it into the sand or soil a little bit, move it just a little so it's stable, and then set it up. First, setting up the side tables. Good user tip for those that have Grub Hubs: if you'll set up your side tables and then the tower before doing the back table, it gives you the easiest access to do it very easily and quickly. The back table has 3 locks you'll put in place. Completing the basic table setup, we won't need the shovel. That's really handy for camping, especially here in the Utah sand. And we'll set up the tower organizer, which is this piece, using a bar that goes through a hidden sleeve in the top. And this unit is part of the integrated design that makes the tower stronger to stabilize the whole system so that you can support a fairly heavy water system that's just gravity fed. The outer pocket holds 2-burner camp stoves. It doesn't hold a 3-burner camp stove, but this top platform does hold any type of stove. The outer flap then rolls down and stores into a lower pocket, and all of your goods are there ready to set up just as you stored them at home. So we'll continue to put on some accessories. We pretty much have the unit set up, but we'll accessorize, adding the sink, shaking out the air dry bags for your dishes, and putting paper towels into the paper towel holder that keeps them from blowing away. And we also offer this range roller towel holder here separately. So that's pretty much your basic setup. I do have the utensil rack that I'll still put on and see if we've made it in our 3-minute time frame here. So there's those items. That's pretty much the whole Grub Hub setup. And we are at 2 minutes and 48 seconds. So if you can see the timer, you can see that we've just set up the most awesomely, wildly, if I can put it, the most wildly organized kitchen on the planet in less than 3 minutes. I hope you'll get a Grub Hub and enjoy camping like we do, and really enjoy your summer making it easy.